a lot of things about it. We didn't like the ride. We didn't like the gearbox. We didn't like the fact that you couldn't see out of the back. We didn't like the ridiculous thirst. And we didn't like the fact that some of the design felt like they'd done the most un-German thing possible. A half-assed job.
But this is the brand new Touareg. And already I can report many improvements. You can, for instance, see out of the back. The ride is much smoother.
The gearbox, the old one changed according to a geological timescale. This new 8-speed affair is a big improvement.
The Touareg also looks...
And besides the full off-road hardware, standard kit includes sat-nav, electric leather seats, climate control, and...
Tornado emergency for southwest Greene County and northern Craighead County. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Greene County in eastern Arkansas, central Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 8:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Black Rock, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Fontaine and Bono. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Jonesboro, Paragould, Bono, Lake City, Bay, Brooklyn, Crowley's Ridge State Park, Lake Frierson State Park, Walcott, Fontaine, Herget, Macy, Shug, Gunpoint, Ferville, Dorothy, Luster, Light, Bethel, and Leneve. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas.
You have finally emerged.
They are Daniel Bodine and Dan Lang. Local snowmobile legends whose racing skills have won them silver medals at the X Games.
Best let them get it out of their system.
Eventually, the teenagers calmed down long enough for me to explain the race route across the ski resort.
Right, we're going to start from here, and then we're going to move around here, sweep around there, down there, and then eventually we'll end up, I thought we'll finish with a sprint across the ice.